Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. Yes guys, I wanted to do something a little bit different in this video. As you guys can see, this is my Louis Vuitton Toiletry 26. I just unboxed this in one of my previous video, and this one is my YSL clutch. This I unboxed it on my video that says my birthday haul video. I wanted to do a quick DIY on how I turned this toiletry and this clutch into an actual crossbody bag. Okay, if you guys like anything that's bag related, whether it's unboxing, comparison, it doesn't matter what it is, this is the channel for you. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with your friends and family. Let them join this family. You guys know we have so much fun over here. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for the continuous support. I love you guys, and let's get into this video. Yes, guys. So as I stated, I wanted to do a quick DIY on how I plan on turning my Toiletry 26, Louis Vuitton Toiletry 26, from a toiletry to a crossbody bag, okay, or a shoulder bag, and also how I turn my YSL clutch into a crossbody bag or a shoulder bag. Okay, so let's start. I guess we can start with the YSL clutch and then do the toiletry. Okay, so you open this bag, this clutch. I'm so excited. I can't wait to like add more colors to this. Okay, so anyway guys, I have the kit. So I have two different kits. So this is the YSL kit right here. It's the conversion kit, and then I also have the conversion kit for the toiletry 26. Okay, so let's, like I stated, let's go with the YSL. Let me open this. And these items, these conversion kits, I actually got both of them from Amazon. Okay, I started opening it. I was like, oh, I need to see what it was because I wasn't sure what this was. So the one for the YSL actually come with the chain, but the one for the Louis Vuitton doesn't. So I ordered a separate chain. But anyway, so as you can see, oh my God, the package is so beautiful. So this is the chain right here. And it's a it's a long chain. I could have even been using this interchangeable. Wow, it's a very long chain. See right there? This is beautiful. Okay, so this is the kit right here. I think this came for somebody named Her or something like that. I will put the information in the description below if you guys are interested in shopping this. Okay, so as you guys can see, it has the 2D ring on the back right here, and then it has additional pocket, which is not bad, but I don't really need it. So what you do, you take this right here, you put it in the bag or in the clutch. Okay, as you guys can see, so you see right there, and it sit like really perfect. So let's push this in a little bit so it's not really showing. So as you guys can see right there, it's inside there, and I still got access to my back pocket right here, my YSL back pocket, and the front as well. Okay, so we have this. Let me take off the strap for the, this is the strap for the clutch. And then what you do after you put that in there, you're going to take the chain, okay, and then you're going to attach it to this. Sorry guys. Ooh, let me move this real quick so we can have space. So you're going to take the chain and you're going to attach it to this D-ring in the back. See right there? So it connects. Let me just connect the other part and then I'll show you guys exactly what I did. Okay. So attach this back pocket right here. Okay. So, okay, let me bring it close up so you guys can see. The chain is not really the exact color for the YSL. So probably what I might do is just find this color. As you can see, it's a little bit, this one is a little bit lighter than this gold right here. So it's a little bit lighter, but for the meantime, I don't have any issue with it. So as you can see, what I did, I connect the 2D ring right here into, I connect the chain into this 2D ring on the back right here. Same thing here. Connect it. As you can see, so it's connected. And then what you do, you lock it and it become a wallet on chain. So, as you guys know, well, YSL actually do sell this exact design as a wallet on chain. It just give you the chain, and then it also give you like credit card slots and stuff like that. I don't need that. So, if you guys didn't check out my birthday haul video, go definitely check it out. I was able to actually snag this item. From Nina Marcus because I had a gift card from Nina Marcus. So I literally only paid like $225 for this clutch because I had a $500 gift card from Nina Marcus. So I turned a 225, well, this item, honestly, not honestly, but the retail price of this item is 700 and I think this one is 745 because of the design. You have the other one, which is 725, just the simple one without all of this chevron print and the quilted print on the bottom. That's 725. This is 745 or 795. I'll put the correct price on the screen, but I picked because I got the $500 gift card as I stated. I only paid $265 or $295 for this bag. And now, as I showed you, look, I'm able to turn it into an actual crossbody slash shoulder bag just by using this conversion kit. But like I stated, this chain, I might use this chain for another bag because it's significantly light. Let me see if I can bring it closer so you guys can see. The chain is significantly light than the YSL sign. So I might use this for another bag, or I just probably leave it because you really don't notice it unless you're like all in my face. But this is what it is. So turn this, and even when you open it, because it's the conversion kit, it doesn't fall off. I know another way what people do is that let me show you the other way. Let me take this kit off. But I am super, super, super excited about this. Let's see if I take this. So what other people do is that I'm taking this kit off, okay? I'm able to. I'm not sure. I think honestly, over time, I'm not sure if this is really going to just like fall apart because it looked like it's already coming apart. The D-ring area right here, because it's just on a felt kind of material, and then they put the D-ring in it. So I don't know how long this is gonna hold for, but hey, it is what it is. I think I paid like what, 20 something dollars for this, which is still not bad though for what it is. So let me take the chain off. Let me just show you guys another way how other people also do this, because there's two different ways you can do it. If you don't want to buy that but you have a chain, so if you don't want to buy the kit and you have a physical chain, what some people do is that, okay, let's put this in here. So you see how here still got the D-ring right here? So they will attach that in there and then still take this, run it, as you can see. Some people run it and then they still attach. I've seen it done different ways, but some people will run it and then still attach the second piece for more of a security. Let me attach this again. So they would kind of do it like this and then close it. As you see, wallet on chain again without without the felt piece. So you can do it this way. So at least when you open it, but this one, sometimes this can probably fall off or something because it's not really that secure, you see? So it can probably come off. So that's the reason why I wanted to use this, because this does have the two little section right here that you can put the chain into, the two kind of like little D-ring, but not really a D-ring section. So some people they do it like this and just wrap the chain and then just attach it to this one D-ring, because obviously YSL did not give you two D-ring because they sell a wallet on chain, which makes sense. But you can also do it this way. If you already have a chain and you don't want to buy the insert, you can do it this way and you can still turn it into a wallet on chain as well. So that's the second way for the YSL, okay? So now let's move forward to the Toiletry 26, okay? So with the Toiletry 26, I'm so super excited about it. I still got my rebag tag on it, but I'm about to take it off. So I just stuff it in. So now with the Toiletry 26, this is the insert that comes for it. Yeah. Oh, that was, honestly, this felt material feels so luxurious. Like, I'm gonna link both of it anyway for you if you guys have this and you want to shop it. So I'll link it down. But this feels so good, and look how many space it give you a whole bunch of credit card space. So as you guys know, and when I did the unboxing, I did tell you that Louis Vuitton took this out of their website so that they can actually bring a new one out, which already have the chain and a credit card slot. But look at this conversion kit. It has a whole bunch of credit card slot. It has another open pocket right here. Like, look at this. It gives you so much space, and it can protect it because it kind of have like the bag line not on the bottom. This is really beautiful, and it has the two little D-ring section on the outside, so you can connect it to the chain. Okay, so this is how I want to put it. So you just put it in. Oh, fits so perfect, guys. Look how perfect it fit. Oh my god, this is so beautiful, and it gives my bag a shape. Oh yes. Okay, look, it gives the toiletry the shape back. Oh my god, yes. All right, guys. So as I stated, this doesn't come with the chain, but what I did do, I bought this chain from Amazon as well. I'll link it below if you guys are interested in it. So isn't this chain beautiful? I bought a smaller one because I wasn't sure what it was. It says 23 inches, but when it got here, it was so tiny, so I decided to order the larger one. Okay. And I think this is the 53-inch. So you take this chain, you attach it to the side right here. Perfect. Seems like they were made for each other. You take this other one, you attach it right here. Perfect. Guys, how beautiful is this? You know what? Let me just take this chain out so I can attach it on the outside going in of the bag. So what you do, take it and attach it this way so that the zip can zip. Well, so you can zip the bag, not the zip can zip. Alright guys, so you attach that like that, and you can zip your bag in. Voila! What do you have here? You have a crossbody. Look at this, guys. So now you made your Toiletry 26 into a crossbody bag, and you're protecting the inside of it because if anything spill or anything like that, look what it is, guys. It's an insert, not on your back. So I am super excited. And I get the extra credit card slot and I get the extra pocket. Like, guys, look at this. Sorry about the shake. I get all of this extra credit card slot right here. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 credit card slots. And I get like a big old pocket on this side. Like, you can't beat that. And I get to turn this from a toiletry to a crossbody. Like, what? And let's see. Look at that. This is so beautiful. So the chain is a little bit off because this yellow is a different yellow. But you know what? Let me see. If the yellow on here is the same on this other bag. Nah, this yellow is a little bit like a rose gold. Okay, so the chain is a little bit off, but who cares from the zipper? Like, because the YSL zipper is a little bit more of a yellow color, a yellow gold. But I think I can also switch this to the yellow gold. So I'll take a look at that. But this is what it looked like. Isn't this so beautiful, guys? So now I have enough chain strap to make it as a crossbody, or I can make it as a shoulder bag. That is so beautiful. And then let me see. I have another chain from this same company. This one is the smaller one. Let's see if it's the same yellow as the chain here. Nah, this is more of a darker. See right here, guys? So I had ordered another chain, but I had ordered the yellow gold. But the end clip is the same, but the yellow is not. But I don't really care, guys. I'm just going to be using this as a crossbody. I don't care about the zipper. But like I stated, so you have this now. which is now a crossbody, and you have this clutch, which now is also a crossbody right here. Look at that, guys. So for less than spending a full amount on a bag, you can actually buy clutches that you can turn into crossbodies for wallet on chain. Like, this is definitely a wallet on chain that YSL sell. I think their wallet on chain is like double the price, like 1,500, and I got this, like I stated, even with that, it's half off. So if you even pay the full price, $795, and you can make it into a $1,400 bag, why not? And this one, that's why Louis Vuitton took it off the website, because a lot of people were turning their toiletry into a cross bag. Louis Vuitton caught up to that. They discontinued this, came out with another one of this with the strap. So the new toiletry bag on the Louis Vuitton website has the strap right here, and it has a little on the inside for credit card space, like here. So you have the credit card space, and it also comes with a toiletry 15, which is the very small one, for like what, 17, 1800. So they triple the price of this. No, I'm good. And look, this thing has given my bag also shape, and it's protecting it. Yeah. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to do this quick video with you guys just to show you a DIY on how you can be creative with your bags and turn them into a wallet on chain or dress it up. Like, this is your bag. You spend money on it. Dress it the way you want to dress it. You see what I mean? Like, really dress it the way you want to dress it. Make it what you want to make it. Let a bag be a elevation of your style. Like, your style is already there. Let the bag just take it to the next level. So why not spend less and get double the value by doing this? Anyway, guys, that's the video for today. I just wanted to show you guys how you can definitely achieve these two. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.